If you've ever copied someone's homework or followed a cooking recipe, you already know how to do this. We send you numbers. You copy and paste them into the app. That's it. You're not trading, you're following. And you're going to be great at this because you're the kind of person who follows clear instructions and gets things done.
First, you want to go to MT4 on the Google Play Store or the App Store and download MT4 or MetaTrader 4. After you download it, open it up. It's going to ask you, do you want notifications? Say allow. And here, press accept. And here, push cancel. And then where it says log in, go to log in existing account. And then at the top, you pick your broker. So Coinexx. And then you go to Coinexx Live. And this is where you put your information from the first video, your account information. Next, we have to add Go. So click the plus at the top right and type in XAU/USD. And then click the green button to the left. And then you'll see XAU/USD. Perfect. That's the only one that we trade. This button right here shows the pair or what we're gonna trade. This button shows your open trades and your balance. And this button shows your history of all your trades. Super easy, right? Now I'm gonna show you live how to take your first trade. So bing, you get an alert. The first thing you do is open up your MT4. And then you click on XAU/USD and then click trade. And where it says market execution, I will show you the number to put there. It's super easy. Under 100, put 0.01. 100 to 299, put 0.01 to 0.02. And so on, easy. And it gets easier. Now all you gotta do is copy and paste and find where it says stop level. And you copy that number right by stop level. And all you gotta do is paste it where it says stop loss. And the signal where it says direction, say buy, so you just say buy a market, click, bam, and now we in the trade. Next, you gotta hold the trade, click modify, and then where it says take profit, you copy where it says target 2, the number right by target 2. So you copy, and then you paste that where it says take profit, and click modify. Congratulations, you just took your first trade and it took you less than 3 minutes. Once you see TP1 hit in the signal group, you have to move your stop loss down so you don't lose money. So all you gotta do again is just copy this number after that and then code it, modify, and then where it says stop loss, just copy and paste that number into stop loss so you don't lose money and modify. Done. And now you know how to take trade. Go to the next lesson, get in the Telegram, and go make some money.